What's up, everybody, and welcome to The Golden Life. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing my nighttime laundry routine as a working mom. Now, I don't work full-time. I'm only working part-time, but I purposely did that because I just did not want to overwhelm myself. I only work 3 days out of the week, and I still have to take care of my family. They are very, very important, and that is actually why I am working, to make sure that we have everything that we need and can progress. Because to be honest, I do not have to work. I really don't. My husband always says you don't have to work, and I appreciate that. But I also want more for us. And so if I can help out any way that I can, I always do that. I'm always kind of just pushing for us to be better and do better every single day, because I just know that it's possible. So without talking too much, let's go ahead and get into this laundry motivation. So I am going to go ahead and throw in a load of laundry and then hop into the shower, because it's only typically, I think it's around 8:30, 9ish. And so I just kind of wanted to get my mind right, actually wake myself up a little bit because I've been lounging all day, and get ready for work. I mean, this is what I do to prepare my home. So when I come home the next day after work, it's not so chaotic, if that makes sense. And after I am done taking a shower, I am going to go ahead and fold the laundry load that has been in my daughter's crib all week. Because, if you've been in my channel before, you already know me and laundry, we don't get along too well. We just stare at each other. We're like, hey, girl. Hey, how's it going? I'm fine. What are you doing today? You going to fold me? You going to put me away? Not yet. But, that's just kind of how it goes. Hey, it's a family of 6 over here. Okay, comment down below what you guys like to do when you are doing your nighttime cleaning routine. Do you like to Netflix and chill? Do you like to listen to podcasts? Do you listen to music? I don't know. What kind of gets you through the night? I know for me, I don't really want to build up too much energy, just enough to get through my chores. So I typically just like to watch movies that are on Netflix or whatever, but we just recently got HBO Max. And that's like our new thing right now. We just watched what is that movie, The Messiah? It was really good. Have you guys seen it? Let me know. Have you guys seen it, or if you guys are planning to see it? If there's any good movies, let me know as well, because I am definitely a type of girl who loves to watch movies.
Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove. To keep it honey, honey, I think I liar, liar. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save them. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. But I fuck with you. And all the rules that I done said, you got me breaking. Wanted you to be my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. Look at you making me smile. You got me answering texts. You could be head in the game, I could be done with the rest. And if you keep the pace, you gon' make it on the gram. I never done it to keep it honey, honey. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wants.
All right, you guys, so I've got probably about one more load of laundry to go because I'm not going to get to everything, and that is okay because I am not trying to do it all like I said in the beginning. I am just trying to do my best and do what I can. You know, I'm not about to kill myself opening up laundry and to get a video out for you guys. We're just going to do what we can. And I just wanted to share with you guys, like, I know sometimes as a mother, you may feel, and a wife, you may feel very down on yourself and you may feel like you're not doing enough. But if you're doing your best and trying to do close to perfect, that's all you can really ask of yourself. Because at the end of the day, if your family is happy, if you're happy, that's all that really matters. No one's going to trip about, you know, that the laundry wasn't done. I mean, if you're in a relationship and in an environment where laundry makes or breaks your day, then you should reevaluate your life a little bit. But that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys got all the motivation and encouragement to get things done around your home or just in life in general. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
She crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby.